Oh, snap. You could use a battery to move your phone? Hey, what's up, man? Yeah.
I got sick playing Fortnite.
Yeah, you have some ligma?
Yeah, dude, it's the worst.
What's that? What's ligma?
Dude, do you even Fortnite?
Oh, come on.
Fortnite is like the best.
Hey, what's up?
Hello,
I didn't
dude,
see
you
you.
there?
I'll call you back. What's up? I didn't see you there. What's up? Whoa. Oh, yeah, welcome to another episode of Guava Reacts. Today, we're going to be reacting to some phone hacks, okay? Specifically from 5-Minute Crafts. 5-Minute Crafts, I don't know where you get your ideas from, but they're truly amazing, and that's why we are going to watch it and possibly attempt some of it. Let's get started right into this video here. Yeah, 5-Minute Crafts. Cool phone hacks. All right, cool. All right, we have Coke bottle. What are you gonna do there? Oh, is this where she's gonna watch TV? Oh, wow, a tripod. You can use a Coke bottle for a tripod. Wow, I want to try that out. Okay, so we have some water and we have some rubber bands. This is actually work. Are you kidding me? Okay, so we gotta take a water bottle. Here, this, throw it back. Please don't snap on my fingers. I will be so mad at you. Wow! Now you have your own personal tripod. Or you can use it as a handle. Hello?
What's Fred Flintstone's voice?
Wait, what's Fred Flintstone's wife? Her name's Wilma.
Is it Wilma Nuts?
Wilma Nuts. Oh, ew! No. No, not falling for it. Okay, let's go to the camera. Oh, perfect. Let me take a picture real quick. Here we go. Do this. Cheese. Perfect! Wow, check out this picture. Isn't it great? Perfectly great. Like nothing's like obstructing the camera lens. It looks wonderful. And then you can just drink whatever drink you have. Okay. Next, balloon. Oh no. Oh dear. What? Okay, so you can use a balloon if you want to have a phone case. Blow it up and then push it down. Okay, let me show you how that works real quick. This is the right way to do it. Or does it even work? You know, you watch all these videos, people don't even try it. So I might do this to make sure it does work. So here we go. It down just like that. How'd you do that, sir? Ma'am? Hello? You just press it down. What? Let me try that one more time. Okay. Down like this, and then we just press it down. Like that. No! I'm gonna get this, okay? Actually, I learned this magic trick. Not this one, but I learned an actual magic trick using a phone. You can put your phone inside of a balloon really quickly. You wanna know how? Let me show you. Okay, really quickly, this is how you put a phone inside of a balloon. Phone, balloon. Wow, this balloon is really wet. You see all this part. But that doesn't matter, because this phone is about to be in a balloon. Ready? Here we go. Watch close. Oh! Okay, so I think the solution is with the size of the phone. This phone is too big, so I have here a smaller looking phone. And the color the person uses blue, I was using red. So you gotta make sure you have a blue balloon, or else this doesn't work at all. Let's try this one more time. So let's try the first method. This is how you get your phone case, okay? 1, 2, 3. I got it, kind of. I cheated, but it did work. Check that out. Check this out. Okay, that's the one method. It does work if you do it right, but this is trippy, okay? Listen to me. This is a real magic trick. I'm not lying. You think I'm lying? I can actually put your phone inside of the balloon. Okay. This phone is about to go inside the balloon. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you see your phone is literally inside the balloon. How do you get it out? I don't know. Whose phone is this? Sorry. Here you go. I'm so sorry. Gotta get your phone out of your balloon. Sorry. Woo, that was a long segment. Let's move on to the next one. Uh-oh. What you gonna do? Eraser? What'd you do? Wait, what? What'd you do? So if you use an eraser, you can get rid of like fingerprints on your phone. I don't have an eraser, but I believe it. I believe it. You do you. I like your gloves. I don't know why you have gloves like that, but it's cool. What is this? Why are you blow drying? Wait, what? No way! Okay, well, you know what else I learned? Let's see. This is a cool trick I learned the other day. It's called genuine velocity. All right, let me show you this. Follow me. Okay, so this is a life hack. 5-minute crowds probably does not know, but you're learning this from me. This is called the phone hammock technique. Just grab your cube, a USB, plug it in, and then you don't want your phone just hanging out like that because someone might step on it, okay? What you want to do is grab your cord, wrap it around the cube like this, let it dangle, and then voila! You have yourself a phone hammock. While it charges, it stays up, no one can kick it, and it's just chilling. The phone hammock. That's a cool one, but I like my hammock thing better, because what if you need the actual length of the thing, you know, I feel. Uh-oh. You could use a battery to move your phone? Wait, why? Are you kidding me? Really? Are you serious? No way. What's in the battery? Oh, whoa! That is crazy! What? Does it work on the other side? It works on any side of a battery. On the side. What is that? Let me use my mouse. What? But then a battery works? Whoa! Okay. That's cool too. That's me every Sunday. Oh no! What is that? Oh wow! Oh, that way it's like a pop socket and a lip balm. Good thing we have ourselves a phone. Alright, so let's try it out. Grab your hot glue gun, put it on this pop socket because apparently this is better than a pop socket. There you go. Perfect. Grab your chapstick. Put it on. And there you there you have it. Now you can use that as a chapstick and a pop socket. Here we go. Ooh. Wow. Amazing. And you can take a selfie. Oh, wait, I need some more. Lip balm. Smile. All right, this is extra. Saran wrap. What you gonna do with the saran wrap? You're gonna put it in the oven, and it's gonna become fried chicken. Wait, what? Oh, you're making a phone case. Wow. You literally can design it any way you want, and then you wait for it to. Oh my goodness, that is magical. Take it off. And it's a phone case. We need to try this. That's why we got saran. Not saran wrap. It's plastic wrap. Whatever you want to call it. Oh my goodness, this is great. Then you gotta put it like this. Wow, I believe this is truly gonna work. Now we do the magic. Some time, but like DIY phone case. Yo, this is great. Wow. All right, so far so good. Now I just gotta get the sides real quick. Wow, I swear if this works, I'm gonna be very, very proud of my artwork. That's why they call it artwork, because sometimes it works. Let's see if this actually works. Uh-oh. So far it's looking good. Okay, my phone's okay. Now, we just gotta get this phone case. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap.
Hello, this is Mike Hunt from Sugandi. Sugandi, you ordered food? Sugandi.
Sagandis food?
Yeah, Sagandis.
I don't know any Sagandis food. Sagandis?
Yeah, don't you want a Sagandis?
You want me to Sagandis? No, 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 no. I'm done. Too many people.
I can give you
House. All right, let's do this. Okay, so this is a watermelon hack, of course. I love watermelon hacks. All right, looks like a bowl. No way! I want to do that now. You just pour Coke into a watermelon? What does that even do? Yo! So the watermelon is infused with Coke, so it has that sugary texture already. Wow! That was so extra. Why would you even do that? I mean, it's cool. Wow! They made a watermelon cake. I need to do that for my next birthday. Wow, that is so cool. It's literally a watermelon cake. Oh, that looks so healthy. Dude, 5-minute crafts are just killing it. It's a watermelon porcupine now. They're probably gonna stick random things into those things. Wait a minute. You're not gonna stick random things into this thing? Oh, it's a watermelon popsicle! Why are they gonna make watermelon popsicles? They're gonna blow up a watermelon using rubber bands? They are! I've done that before. It takes about 287 rubber bands to explode it. See, 200, 300. Oh, 230 for them. See, I even know the number. That is great. Wow. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to do the same exact video, except I'm gonna do the same exact thing. More watermelons? I need to do this for next week's video. I see. You're just unwrapping the thing. 5-minute crafts to be watching. Where in the world do you find these ideas? Grandma. I'm talking about. Come on, I'll see you later. Alright, let's continue. So she's making a watermelon ball. Wow, that's a really nice spherical watermelon. She's making another watermelon, putting it in squares. You're gonna put some kind of square. Oh, you put the other one in the watermelon. What's the point of that? I guess because it looks cool, yeah? But then what do you do with the others? Is this a watermelon? It's yellow, though. I don't know if watermelons can become yellow. Very satisfying to watch this though. Oh, whoa! All right, here's my synopsis of the watermelon. Yo. So next up we have apples. Seriously, these people have so much time. They're probably gonna make a flower with all those things. Oh wait, no, they're gonna make a turkey. They're gonna, I need to do these hacks. This is so freaking awesome. That's a swan. Wow. Okay, now they're gonna make an apple cake. Okay, need some cinnamon. Oh, look at that! It's an apple tortilla. They're gonna bake it. Oh, look at it! Yo, it's an apple flower. There's an ad. Go away, ad. I need to download ad blocker. That would look like a healthy version of cinema. So yes, cut that out. They're making dimples out of the apple now. They're making a UFO. Wait, I can guess what they're making. They're making a flower. They're making soup. What are they doing? Wow, that is the cutest thing ever. Gosh, I can see why this channel is 2,000,000 subscribers. I wonder what their process is like. Do they come up with hacks beforehand? Look at that, equality right there. It's it doesn't matter because everyone is equal and you should love one another. Look at this. Green apples in the red apple and the red apples in the green apple. Hey, by the way, let me know in the comments down below. What do you like in this channel so far? Am I doing it right? Am I reacting right? You want me to be more explosive? You want me to shout out more names? Let me know in the comments down below. Because I'm pretty new at this. This is literally the first react video I've ever done. Straight reacting video. They're gonna play Connect 4. They're gonna explode the apple. What are you gonna do with the apple with the rubber band? Stays fresh? Wow, I didn't know that. If you put a rubber band in an apple, it'll just stay fresh. Why is that? Alright, we're moving on to the next fruit. The peach. Oh, I didn't realize peaches had seeds inside. Okay, next we're moving to an orange. Orange, you glad you're watching this react video with me? Oh, that is so... No way! Yo! That is so cool! Okay, I didn't realize if you roll an orange and then peel it, it's a lot easier than... So, that's just... Oh, we're halfway there. I can't believe I'm watching this. More watermelon hacks. Are you kidding me? This is great. Oh, okay. So if you cut a watermelon a specific way, I guess that's a perfectly clean way grow another... What? You can grow another pineapple using a pineapple? No way. Wow! What? You got a pineapple! That was so beautiful. Okay, let's move on. All right, next up is the strawberry. You gonna make a strawberry flower, or what's this gonna do? Nothing can beat that pineapple hack. Oh, that is so beautiful. This is so good. Who would think of this? It really depends on the owner to make this beautiful. But seriously, who has all this time? I think it's just better just to eat it. Are you gonna make a swan? Oh, nope, that's definitely not a swan. Oh, Illuminati! Oh, we got some Illuminati in here. Or you can have like Naruto shuriken. Yo, shout out to everyone still watching. Like, I'm just as blown away as you are. I don't even know what she's gonna do with watermelon, because I already thought that all you can do with watermelons. She's probably gonna do something. Oh! How'd you do that? Wow, that was crazy. Oh, okay. If you place an orange in the freezer for 2 hours, what's gonna happen? Wait, you can blend it? What? I didn't realize you could eat the orange peels. Orange, sugar, lemon. What are you gonna make? If they pull out a pineapple, I'm gonna be so shook. Is there gonna be a pineapple? I was gonna... No. Oh, you just make orange juice. That's kind of nasty though. But then again, you added sugar, but then you're eating like orange peels. What am I even eating? Oh, we have a pomegranate. So you just take your pomegranate. I know it's like filled with seeds. So this is probably the perfect way to get the pomegranate seeds out. Goodness, I did not realize the pomegranate has so many seeds. Okay, it's avocado. I know it has a giant seed in the middle. Okay, what do you do with that? Oh, you stab it like that, and then you plant it, and then another avocado will pull. Oh, I'm just kidding. Okay, yeah, that's the regular way to peel a banana. Most people peel bananas from the stem end, but the real way, how monkeys do it, is they peel it from the other end, like that. Okay, mango. Yeah, if you're Filipino, we do this all the time. Make squares like that. That's like, yeah, I guess it makes sense. Like grandmas tell their kids, like, this is the way to cut a mango. So all these are just probably hacks from like different cultures, how they did their cutting their fruits. But if you're Filipino, this is how you cut a mango. Oh, it's a pineapple. Oh gosh. Okay, okay. Oh, okay, that was really boring. All right, oranges. Oh, wait, how do you do that? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, never mind. I thought she's gonna just drink this strawberry with a straw.